Hello everybody, today I want to tell you how to get started with Laravel and build your first app. Okay, so let's go. Here's my I'm using in sandbox, so my window don't have anything. Let me try cmd. PHP also don't have, composer also don't have. Okay, so let's go to Laravel. Laravel.com. Okay. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Here we go to install, and then we go here, go to window, and here we copy Thai window PowerShell. Here I recommend you run as administrator because it okay, and pass and copy the command. Go here, paste. Okay, run administrator. So let's start. Okay, it download PHP. Okay, it create php.ini and then it download composer library. Hold on. Okay, so now it's done. So we go here to create Laravel. So we go to let's check cmd. I pin this one, easy for me. Pin. Close. Open again. I try PHP. Wow, it got composer. Okay. Okay, so let's install Laravel installer. Okay, so when you install completed, let's go to next step to create Laravel app. Open, and then I type, just name it Laravel app. Okay, so it will ask you to which starter kit you want to install. By default it is none, so you can install the app view or rewire. So just click none and just enter. Okay, wait for it. Okay, please wait. Okay, so that's all here. By default it use actual line, but you can configure with server or MariaDB, PostgreSQL or MySQL. So this one it run automatically. So okay, let's apply to it because it's new. So everything is new. So I don't have any editor for now. I can install from also. Okay, just download. It's not. Oh, this is Visual Studio. Or I can use web on this web here. Okay, next step here we go cd. So I go to cd Laravel f. Let's try to run it. php artisan shell. Okay, it cannot start because I run it in sandbox. So I want to. It is called Laravel hub. Okay, I run Laravel hub. Laravel hub. I link with it because I use in sandbox. I cannot. My physical was already have it. Then I download. I download it, so I install VS Code first. Accept next, next. Wait for while it's complete. Right now here I can use online first. Check. Okay, so we have directory instruction like this. One is app to store the HTTP model provider, something like that, and bootstrap folder config. Also have database, also publish to store like any resource, and resource to store view, to configure the web route, storage to store any upload files or something. Vendor is vendor of it mean that independency. Okay, so window app already start run here, so I don't need this one for now. I just wait to wait Laravel to start to run my application on this. So right now let's go, we go to route here and web, we open here. It will work like this. For example, a route get mean that the URL get here. So for example, local host or Laravel app.com tag like this, for example, but now it's not yet run. So this will point to you will be in result view. Here you welcome, so the welcome here. Okay, I will show you from route. I install her first. Okay, let's wait for a while. I will show you all today. Let's wait for it. Okay, finish. So I link my project. Alright, I go everything first. I open it. Get started. Of course, but in your case you don't need this one because in your you are a real PC, but my one is I use just a sandbox, like you can see here. I use sandbox, not real window, because my real window I have some application installed in it. So this is I just want to show you how I exactly install from start. Okay, you see it is download node. Just wait. I will pause the record, so after complete I will record again. Okay, for now it completed. So I add side and then I link existing project. Okay, my project located in C user, this user, and then Laravel app. Select it. Okay, this is what I need, so I just click next. So by using Laravel app, you don't need to run server every time. You just set up it one and then it will automatically run. You can start it. So right now I open browser. Okay, here Laravel app.test. Close these two. Okay, so this is welcome page. For example, I change welcome page to HTML5. Okay, save. Okay, this is welcome page. Sorry, I show it. You refresh here. So right now I will show you step by step to create view route. For example, I create one route get, because it is slash have already, so I add one more, add slash f like this. Oh, sorry, I just my app, and then function. So I return view, and this is called what? My f. Okay. So now you reload. It's no problem, but you go to my f. It will error. My app not found. So I go to create view first, because in my app don't have view name my app yet. So my app, okay, black template, okay, so HTML file, I put in h1. This is my app page. Okay, I save it, so I reload it. This is my app page. So this is how route works. Route will go to return to you and my app. So here, let's go to Laravel official. Sorry, I don't need to go Laravel hurt. I know I need to go to Laravel only. Sorry. Okay. So installation already. So we go to configuration. Configuration nothing. So we go to basic. You just now return. For example, like this. If you return, for example, I comment it, and then I just return tag. This is mean that echo in PHP. This is my app route, and you just semicolon like this. You refresh. This is my app route. Okay, so I don't want to just return a tag. I want to return to you. Okay, so this is the route. So one more thing is route controller. For example, I go to my app the same, but I not return to you. I return route controller. So my app here not we. Okay, I comment this off. I go to route get. Okay, same. I type my f. Then here I use array. My app controller. It is class. I tell it is class. Sorry. Class, and then I type index, for example, index. So when you try to run, it will say my app controller does not exist. So I copy it, and I go to create a controller. So I go here, cd Laravel f. Okay, here I not mention say like this. I write PHP artisan make a not model, sorry, controller. My controller name is my app controller. Okay, to generate result graph result. Okay. Okay, so Laravel it will locate it in here. I copy it. Okay, right now we already have my app controller, which is in. Okay, let me minimize HTTP controller here. My app controller. So this is I point to it, but it's still the same. My app controller doesn't have. So I need to use it to call it. Use this one. I delete this one, but note here app we must use capital S. Okay, I save it, I refresh. So nothing. Why nothing? You open here index, for example route point to index, so index, so nothing. I want return my app using controller. Okay, with that one, sorry. Okay, you. Alright, so this is how controller work. So if you want to return to you, it is the same using in route. So we just return view. Okay, we use name my app. Same now. It's very easy. Okay, this is my app page. Okay, so let's go next. This is API I not show you. All done. So I route. It also have middleware. I would like to skip it. It is not. Okay, so I will show it by myself. Okay, so this is view run. So for now we go to model. Model is that model is how the model is we specific table to a model. For example, it have model here. By default it have user model already. Let me install one app or what is called, because we use like here, as you can see it use actualize, so I need to install actualize studio to show you. Like show you first time in my Laravel app. By default it is use my actual, so you can see here. Sorry, not my actual, it is actualize for a Laravel as well. Here the database, but we cannot see. Open anyway, cannot see, so I need this one to open it to show you how it will look like. Okay, please wait for it. So now I will link it. Okay, I click add one model. Okay, let me rename on Okay, it look like this. Alright, so get start more. So I will have one button. I will create button here. Button. Sorry. I will create one link. Okay. So the user create. To create a user. Create user. Something like this. You refresh. Okay, create user here. In here I need to have action. Okay, action I will list. I will have edit and update. Okay, so create user, we will go to create. So I here user, new user, create. So better I create a new folder user like this. Then I move user here, move, and then I type create.black.php. Okay, user I rename it to index. Okay, so here I just return to index. So this is index pack. So here I just return to create. Remember, in view we have user folder here, so you need to call user folder also here to specify the right one. Okay, so I refresh. Oh, not found means that route don't have yet, so you go to route and create it first. We go back to route here, create. Okay, here slash create. Sorry. Okay, we refresh. So user create page blank. I type HTML5. Yes. Here H1 create user. So a slash user, go back. So we go back to user page, and we have a form here. Form called post action user slash store method post. Okay, so we need add CF or F. Alright, so we have label. Okay, for what? For name. Okay, so put type name. Okay, I duplicate it. This is email. This name. Okay, so for email. Okay, refresh. Name email. I make it yeah, to make it like this. Okay, but here email I make it one space or nothing, just like this. Okay, name email. try go back. Okay, name, email, create, update, action. Okay, just these two. So create again, name, email, and then I need one button. Cell. Just put one button. Okay, I make it. Button. Okay. This cell. Hi. Okay. Let's see. Here, one button. Okay. So right now I will put my name mode at email.com. I will sell post store not found, so I need to go to create this one in route. Okay, I go to route, and then here I post. Here is store, here is also store. Okay, so nothing. So I go back to user controller and store. Here I return $request all to show you. I refresh. Oh my god, this is wrong. I copy this one. My typo is wrong. Okay, reload. Okay, here this is a token. Token is generated from the field. Token is generated from, I close this one first. I close. Token generated from this form, and then here name, mode, here name, yes, this, and email. So I need to save this data into database. Oh my god, let me resume. So I need to save this data into database. So I need to try. So I need to call model to here, use. You go to user model here. So model located in app model and user here. Okay, so I just use app/model user. Okay, I delete this one. If I want name, I just request. I want name only, the request name like this. Let's try. So it's only name mode like this. So I delete it. I declare variable name equal to the request name. Same here. I change to email. Here also email. Okay. So user here have already declare variable user equal to new user, because user is a class. Okay. So I want to save user, so I generate user name, user email equal to email. Now I return user. No. Return user. Let's see. It would be like this. So I need to save the data to user. So I return okay. So user. This is how we save to database. Shell. Okay, I declare one. Sales now if là shell if the last shell we return redirect. Here we need to redirect to user. Okay, not return redirect, I return route user dot index. Okay, let's try. Okay, it said password because it is a password, but I don't want to create a password field, so I will generate it auto. So I will create password here. Okay, password I will be like this. For example, I will reload it. Okay, route not found, user dot index not found. So I go to web. Here I name it user dot index. Okay, it's a constant because I already insert, so we go back. So it means that data already insert. Okay, so here already insert, so I create one more. I create mode 1, email mode 1 at email.com. Okay, I save. Okay, it's not like it. We need to redirect it. We need to redirect it. Redirect like this should be. Okay, input to like this. Create. Redirect back. So now we have more than one column here, so now I will get it into view here. I will get the data, so we go back to index. User get to get all user, and then I compact it to view. It to view using compact. Here we just use this user. Okay, user without, yes, like this. I add to it because we had so many users. Okay, we refresh it. Okay, see nothing. So in view we need to set up also. We go to user.index. Okay, for example, I show the data in black. We can use like this, and then user with off. User with S don't have. We need to add the last sign. Yes, here you see it have an array like this, so I will pass it to table here. So here I will use for each, and this is black template for each. User so this is okay here in for each. Okay, I did it. ID faster name, email, create sheet, That it add. Okay, let's refresh. This is wrong. Why wrong? Okay, let's double check together. Okay, let me delete this one. Oh, I see what's wrong because I forgot this one. Okay, you see the data have here. So right now I will create one more. Okay, I will load it. So now I have 4, so I create one more. I just test at email.com shell here the time exactly same. Oh, it is not same, right? It is not same because we have the configuration time zone here. We go to config and app. You can see here it is UTC time. So if I change it to Asia Phnom Penh. Okay, let's try. Create more. Test 2. Okay, 2 cell. You see, exactly same. You see, exactly same. So in action button, I will add delete, edit and delete. So I go back to view td. I will add to a1 / user. This is I put like this. User ID, edit by specific user ID. So this is edit. Also this is delete. Okay, just edit, no need. Okay, delete. Let's see. Let's reload. Edit and delete. You can see here. Okay, edit. For example, I edit this one. For example, this is 12 and this is should be 12 like also. I go to edit. But edit not found. We need to go to create a route. Edit not found. We go to web. Edit and view the variable ID here. Here we change to edit. Okay, let's refresh. But this is not post, it is get. Oh, user edit. Oh, because I name wrong, so I go to index edit, for example, delete, for example. I just name like this. I go back, I refresh. Oh, sorry, this is, I edit this one. So in edit, so we go and edit. So edit here. So I return view user.edit. Make it faster. I don't waste time. Okay. Here I go to create edit. Okay, I copy from create. Form is the same. Okay, just this is action, post the same, but this is update. Go to update, and then here update by specific ID. So user then ID. Okay, let's try. Oh, so we pass user to from controller to view. Okay, from controller. So here user find the ID compact with user. Okay, if I save, you see update 3, but the route update don't yet have. You see, I go to route, edit, and then update. Okay, this is top also. Okay, so nothing. So we go to update. Okay, wait. We need to pass here, pass, and then click save with pass data to update. This is how we find user. But when we edit, name and email should be listed in here also. So I go to edit, and then add value. Values equal to, okay, user name. Okay, here the same. Copy. Value here, email. Okay, refresh. Yeah. So I change it to cell. Okay, go to update. So we implement on update controller update here. So we use the request the same or user. Oh, we need to pass ID also to here. So we need to here and create one ID also. So we go to edit and we want input hidden values equal to we don't need I think we don't need, we can get by this parameter. Okay, so here ID we have, so we can do like this. So right now user we set user name. Okay, let me inspect for you. Return, it will show exactly the same here, but what we want to update to mode 2. So like here you can try this one. Name here, mode is 2. You see, Okay, so we set like this. We set user name equal to request username. Okay, email we also same like this. Sorry, email. Okay, then cell. If update we return like this. L return back. Okay, so right now we request. Okay, you see it update, and here update time 24. So right now we go to delete. Here delete not found. So delete, I will set it as post also. Post also here change to delete ID here. Oh sorry, here is destroy. Okay, so we go to implement and destroy. So destroy here. We can use this one. Or we can like this. User destroy and ID. Okay, and then return like this. Okay, not found. Oh, same. Okay, I delete test 2. Oh, use to make it in here. Here I must use it as a form, so I make it a form first. Form post like this. Action slash delete slash what? User ID. Yes. We need to use a button here to delete. It's delete. Yes. Submit. Okay, refresh. Okay, I delete. Not found. User delete. I not found. Let's check out. Okay, without expire because we I mean that we didn't add C or F. Okay, let's reload. Delete it. Okay, you see, delete. Okay, so now I think that's all. But I want to tell you, if you want to create model, you need to make like this. Make model, for example, student. But you need to minor to create my migration. Okay, let's go to see. So you have one more model here, student. See, and one more. When we use minus army in there, we go to database and migration. can see it's in here. So that's all. You can create a new table here, but I don't tell you how to create table here. You can study it by yourself. For example, you want to create, so you need to learn. For example, you need to start in string. Okay, here like student name like this, and then we migrate to database. Just create php send migrate. Here you see, create table student. So we can call student as long as you scan. It's same. Okay, so bye bye, thank you.